If you've been looking for a beautiful home in immaculate move-in condition located in an incredible neighborhood, you're going to love this home located in Banning Lewis Ranch. Welcome to 6898 Sedge Rock Lane. This home's about 3,900 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it has desirable main level living. I can't wait to show you more. The open floor plan is bright, and I love the wood floors throughout. The kitchen has abundant counter and cabinet space, and look at this lovely center island that even has countertop seating. This flows directly to the family room, which centers around a cozy gas fireplace. The dining area heads out directly to the covered deck, which is perfect for grilling. The primary suite is spacious. There's tons of windows, a beautiful tray ceiling, and it leads directly to the primary bath with a large soaking tub, double vanities, and of course a shower. The main level also has 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. The lower level basement was recently finished. I love that it has high ceilings, it's nice and bright. There's a wet bar, 2 more bedrooms, a full bath, plenty of rooms for games, movies, anything you like, and then you can walk out directly to the backyard. Outdoors, you'll find 2 separate seating areas. One is this covered patio that walks out directly from the basement, and then above me is the covered patio that leads out from the kitchen. I love the water feature. It's so peaceful and relaxing. Additionally, note that there's solar panels on the roof and they are owned. Banning Lewis Ranch is known for outdoor enjoyment and tons of community activities. There are courts for pickleball, tennis, and basketball, and a rec center and fitness center. There's pools, a splash water park, scenic walking trails, dog parks, and so much more. Banning Lewis Ranch Academy is sought after for its academic excellence as well. It offers easy access to multiple military installations and is also easy to access Colorado Springs Airport, Denver, and downtown Colorado Springs.